With your cargo planning in mind, we can offer you a digital freight solution that provides planning certainty for your shipments. Quick Quotes Spot. Request your fixed rate. Immediately see the available voyages for your selected routing and get your confirmed booking with guaranteed fulfillment. Booking Quick Quotes Spot provides you with unique features such as instant booking confirmation, a loading guarantee at load ports and transshipment ports, and an equipment guarantee. Hello, I am Felipe Barrera, the web product owner of Quick Quotes Spot at Hapag-Lloyd, and today I will show you a live demonstration on how to use the tool. The first thing you need to do is to go to hapag-lloyd.com. Click on Quote in the left-hand navigation bar, and then click on Quick Quotes Spot. Enter your email address, your password, and then log in. Quick Quotes Spot is a very easy tool to use. To request an offer, you need to enter the routing as a first step. You also have the chance to select inland at origin or destination using the options available below. Additionally, you need to enter the container type, container quantity, and cargo weight per container. Please keep in mind that the maximum number of containers that we accept in a booking currently is 20. And for now, only FAK cargo is accepted in Quick Quotes Spot. To go to the next step, click on Request Offers. On this screen, you have all the details of your request. Right below that, we have the Quick Quotes Spot Terms and Conditions, Quick Quotes Terms and Conditions, and country-specific requirements according to your selected routing. It's important to remember that with Quick Quotes Spot, you will receive the booking confirmation immediately, and that space and equipment are guaranteed. That is why we have a compensation cancellation fee structure in place. In this banner, we also have the opportunity to check the differences between our two quotation solutions. And here you can see the main differences. Under Available Routing and Products, you will find the available voyages for your request. We provide you the earliest estimated time of arrival as the first option. We also show you all the details of each voyage: estimated time of departure, transit time, estimated time of arrival, vessel name, voyage, and service. As a reference, you can also see the Quick Quotes rate in the right side of each offer. Please have in mind that the price you see here is the ocean freight, so if you want to check the details, please click on it. Here you will see the surcharges as well as other details. If you scroll to the bottom, you will see the cancellation fee and the no-show fee for your request. Once you decide on a voyage, you can book it right away by clicking on Book Now. On this screen, you can review the details of your selected request and see the price details in case you want to take a look at this again. Under Containers and Cargo, you need to enter the container pickup date, select the depot, and add the cargo description. Click on Continue, Review and Confirm, and optionally, you can add your customer reference number. Review and accept the terms and conditions. And finally, click on Submit Booking. On this final screen, you can see your booking number. You will also receive the booking confirmation and the rate confirmation via email in the next few minutes. In case you want to buy additional free time, please click the banner on the right side. If you want to help us to improve our tool, please don't forget to rate us. We are always checking your comments, and of course, we are happy to hear from you. Well, that's all from my side. I hope now you got a better understanding of how our Quick Quote Spot tool works. Thank you for your attention. Hasta luego.